Hello all. Price to book value is another important metrics in value investing. I am sure that you are well versed with the figure of price to book value, which is nothing but a mere ratio of market price of the stock to its book value. But though it looks simple, the term book value has got deeper meaning. Let's dissect the concept of book value in this session. Simply speaking, book value of a stock or a business is simply the total liabilities subtracted from the total assets. The total assets minus total liabilities otherwise fetches you so-called shareholders equity or shareholders fund plus the minority interest. Minority interest is otherwise mentioned as non-controlling interest as well. It is to be noted that the shareholders equity can again be broken down into share capital plus reserves. Share capital being the contribution of we investors who have invested in the company, which is contributing to the shares outstanding. Shares outstanding is those shares held by the investors other than the promoters, basically the shares offloaded out by the company owners. Reserves being mainly the retained earnings or the profit of a company after dividends being distributed. Reserves also find other sources like sale of assets. Other types of reserves are not relevant and is not of much use to us, so I am not mentioning it or neither elaborating it on this session. So the book value in a way is the real worth of a company, though it can misguide us compared to its intrinsic value. But as a quick measure of valuation of the stock, we can always check the price to book value of the stock, and if it's below say 1 to 1.2, it can be further evaluated for other prospects. I suggest while finding out the book value, we should consider only the tangible assets of the business and not its intangible assets like goodwill, patents, intellectual property, brand value, etc., which actually are non-physical in nature and can go off easily if some really bad news strikes the company. You can find large number of companies at overcooked valuations out of their possible future growth potential trading at much higher price to book value. Valuations can be as high as 25 to 40, which are definitely not a ground for value investors. So a price to book value of 25 to 40 means the price of the stock is trading at almost 25 to 40 times its book value. So that shows that it is highly overcooked or valuations are very high. So a value investor ideally should stay away from such growth stocks. Growth investors do follow such stocks betting on the growth story, but we value investors keep away from such overvalued stocks, though they may fetch decent returns but carries high risk of wealth destruction if things go wrong. Happy investing.